In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Bybit to bank. We'll walk through converting your crypto to cash using Bybit's P2P marketplace and having the funds sent straight to your bank. Start by opening Bybit in your browser or app and sign in securely. Make sure you're on the official site and using a trusted network. Head to the assets section. This is where you can see which account your funds are sitting in. P2P trades use the funding account, so if your crypto is in spot or derivatives, move it first. Use the transfer option to shift the coin you plan to sell from spot or derivatives to your funding account. This is an internal transfer, so it's instant and typically free. Now go to Buy Crypto and choose P2P trading. Bybit's P2P is a peer-to-peer marketplace with an escrow system. When you create an order, your crypto is locked by Bybit until you confirm you've received the buyer's payment. That escrow is your safety net. Switch to the Sell tab because you're selling crypto to receive your local currency. Select the specific crypto you want to sell, like USDT or BTC, and choose your local currency so offers match what you want to receive. Use the payment method filter to select bank transfer. This makes sure you only see buyers who will pay directly to your bank account. From the filtered list, pick a verified buyer with a strong completion rate and reliable recent activity. Check their price, order limits, and average release time. When you're comfortable, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You'll be prompted to provide your bank details for the transfer. Enter them carefully and exactly as they appear on your bank account to avoid delays or rejections. Once you place the order, Bybit will escrow your crypto and notify the buyer to make the payment. Watch the order status and timer. When the buyer says the payment has been sent, log into your bank, ideally through your official banking app, to confirm the funds have actually arrived and are fully credited. Only after you see the money in your account should you return to the order and click release to hand over the crypto from escrow. You may be asked to confirm with your security PIN or 2FA. That's it. Your crypto is sold and the cash is in your bank. Remember, never release before you confirm receipt. Keep all communication within Bybit's chat. And if anything seems off or the payment window expires, use Bybit's support or dispute tools for help.